Current status of state and union territory. Biodiversity symbols in India. India is a land of remarkable biological and cultural diversity. From the snow-covered peaks of the Himalayas to the coral islands of Lakshadweep, the country encompasses nearly all major ecosystems on Earth. Recognized as one of the 17 megadiverse nations, India is home to about 7 to 8% of the world's species, including over 90,000 species of animals and 45,000 species of plants. To represent this incredible biodiversity at regional levels, each state and union territory, UT in India, has adopted official symbols: a state animal, bird, tree, and flower. These represent not just the ecological uniqueness of the region, but also its cultural identity, traditional beliefs, and conservation priorities. Origin and background. After India's independence, the Government of India adopted national symbols to promote unity and identity, such as national animal, Bengal tiger, national bird, Indian peacock, national tree, banyan tree, national flower, lotus. Following this example, each state and union territory was encouraged to identify similar regional symbols. These were later recognized through state biodiversity boards, gazette notifications, and Forest Department circulars, supported by the Biological Diversity Act 2002. Today, almost all states and UTs have officially recognized biodiversity symbols. Importance of biodiversity symbols. Each state or UT symbol is chosen to represent a significant or unique species native to that region. The one-horned rhinoceros of Assam signifies the state's grassland ecosystem. The Great Indian Bustard of Rajasthan represents the fragile desert ecosystem. The red panda of Sikkim highlights the Himalayan temperate forests. Cultural and spiritual value. Many state symbols are tied deeply to local traditions. The elephant is sacred in South India and symbolizes wisdom and strength. Trees like Ashoka and peepal are revered in Hinduism and Buddhism. Flowers like lotus and palash appear in Indian art and literature. Conservation awareness. By designating species as symbols, governments can prioritize their protection. These species often act as flagship species for conservation campaigns. Comprehensive list of biodiversity symbols. All states and union territories. Complete list, as of 2025, of all Indian states and union territories, along with their official biodiversity symbols: animal, bird, tree, and flower. States of India.